Adding ease to motion. You can use a keyframe preset to quickly add a feeling of inertia to clip motion. For example, you can create a ramp-up effect for speed by right-clicking a keyframe and choosing Ease In or Ease Out. Ease In is used for approaching a keyframe, and Ease Out is used when leaving a keyframe. When you choose Ease In or Ease Out, a Bezier interpolation is applied to the keyframe. You will learn more about applying interpolation methods to keyframes in Lesson 12, Adding Visual Effects. Continue working with the 0-4 scale sequence. Select the second video clip in the sequence. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Rotation and Scale properties. Click the Disclosure button next to the Scale property, and then select the Scale property heading to select the scale keyframes and reveal the control handles and velocity graphs in the Effect Controls panel timeline. You might want to increase the height of the Effect Controls panel to make room for the extra controls. Don't be overwhelmed by the new numbers and graphs. Once you understand one of these controls, you will understand them all because they use a common design. The graph makes it easier to view the results of keyframe interpolation adjustments. For example, a straight line means a steady speed without acceleration. In other words, you are using linear keyframes. Click the background of the Effect Controls panel timeline to deselect the keyframes. They will change from blue, selected, to gray, unselected. Right-click the first scale keyframe, level with the scale heading, and choose Ease Out. The keyframe is partially obscured by the left edge of the timeline. Right-click the second scale keyframe and choose Ease In. The graph now shows a curved line, which translates as a gradual acceleration and deceleration of the animation. Play the sequence to see your animation. Experiment by dragging the blue Bezier handles in the Effect Controls panel to see their effects on speed and ramping. The steeper the curve you create, the more sharply the animation's movement or speed increases. After experimenting, you can choose Edit Undo repeatedly if you don't like the changes.